Hello students, our first lesson is electrostatics. Before going into the lesson, let us see about what is electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is one of the important branches of physics which deals about the interaction between the atoms of two different objects. In order to understand it in a better way, let us see one example. Look at this picture. From this picture, we can understand that when an object is pushed, the atoms in our hand interact with the atoms in the object. And this interaction is basically electromagnetic in nature. Come to the next picture. From this picture, we can understand that when we stand on the Earth's surface, the gravitational force on us acts downwards and the normal force acts upward to counterbalance the gravitational force. What is the origin of this normal force? It arises due to electromagnetic interaction of atoms on the surface of the earth with the atoms present in the feet of the person. Come to the next picture. From this picture we can understand that when an object is moved on the surface, static friction raises the motion of the object. This static friction arises due to electromagnetic interaction between the atoms present in the object and the atoms on the surface. Kinetic friction also has. So girls, we have come across three different examples. From these examples we can understand that whether the object may be at rest or in motion or in contact with some other object, there will be some interaction between the atoms of the two different objects. So this interaction is basically electromagnetic interaction in nature. So hence we can understand that electromagnetism is one of the important branches of physics which deals about the force of attraction between the atoms of two different objects. Next we are going to see about historical background of electric charges. Before knowing that, let us see about atom. We are familiar with atom. What is meant by atom? Every object in the universe is made up of atom. An atom consists of nucleus and particles like proton, electron and neutron. Nucleus is present at the center of the atom and the nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. These protons and neutrons are combinedly called as nucleons, and this nucleus is surrounded by the electrons, where electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a orbit. So this is what about atom. Historical background of electric charges. 2 millennium ago, Greek noticed that amber, which is nothing but a solid translucent material formed from the resin of fossil tree. In 18th century, Benjamin Franklin discovered the two types of charges. One is positive charge and another one is negative charge. He said that all the atoms are neutral in nature. What is meant by neutral? If the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, then the atom is said to be neutral, which means that the net charge of the neutral atom is said to be 0. When the atom becomes positively charged, when the two atoms are come into contact with each other, there will be some losing of electrons or gaining of electrons. During such cases, the atom becomes positive charge or negative charge, such that if the number of protons is greater than the number of electrons, then the atom is said to be positively charged. If the number of electrons is greater than the number of protons, then the atom is said to be negatively charged. Thank you, students. Leave your doubts in the comment box.